On our drive from Plitvik National Park to Kirka National Park, we stopped for a lunchtime break overlooking Obravac and its ruined castle on the hill.
National Park to see some more waterfalls, and we've just arrived at, I think these are the bottom ones. Quite stunning. This is Stradinsky Buck. A massive 55 cubic metres of water flows down this fall per second. It's the longest travertine in Europe, being made up of 17 individual falls. Let's go and find your dad. This is the main waterfall, I think, in this area. Okay, so we're now at Ruski Slap. We're on our way up to see the Ozidana Pecina cave. That one there. It's right up there, look. Made it to the caves. Here's Bob. Hello, Bob. Don't know if you can see her. Bob's keeping guard for all the tourists coming in while Bobette's cooking the dinner.
Little tiny stalagmites and stalactites and things
up
at the end, but they're only tiny.
The wanderer's returning. He's been to the end of the cave. Oh, here he is. Modern day Bob.
Hello.
Hello.
Mineral deposits. I'll go over there and shine the torch on it.
I'm not supposed to go over.
Oh, there's a nice big tunnel up there.
Looks like at one time there might have been some lights. Okay.
When I shine my torch.
What does that say there? Bats. Oh, there's bats. Can't see any bats. Oh, there's a moth. Big moth there. Yeah, there's a light down there. It's just not working.
Yeah, I wonder if there's a switch.
Maybe, I was about to say, maybe there's a switch. We'll have to do it. Press the button. Now what we've got to do is see if there's a light switch somewhere, because there are lights all around. See, Dad's looking at the electrics.
All the circuit breakers look okay. On.
It says €6 and the hard hats are all in a box. Oh, still very interesting. So that's the cave done, and now we've got to do all the steps back down, and then we're going to carry on the walk around the other side of the lake. Not lake, river Kirka. So this is the old town split, but
Just a labyrinth of passageways, very narrow passageways.
yeah, with lots of shops, lots of bars. Apparently, didn't realise it, but it's a UNESCO site again. Okay, so this is bringing us out into some sort of big square. It's everywhere.
Look at that.
How many steps did it say there was? 130 or 150?
Can't remember.
And they're flipping big ones as well. Crikey.
You're right. I guess it literally
Crikey. Oh, this is a workout and a half. Nearly there. Wow.
Birkenstock shop.
Oh yeah?
Shall we get Sam some socks?
I'm sure she wouldn't really appreciate that.
Hundred thousands gold pieces to build the church. Not
There you go, there's the Game of Thrones licensed official merchandise. We've got an Iron Throne. And a football stand. The Hard Rock Cafe. We've got to go in, haven't we?
We've developed a theme of having a beer.
Yeah. But we have to go inside rather than outside. Because we want to see everything, don't we?
Yeah.
Lady Gaga's dress. This is Rihanna's dress. All the way from Birmingham.
All the way from Birmingham.
Dubrovnik.
These are the steps where Cersei Lannister started her walk of shame in Game of Thrones, and these blokes looking up were trying to fly a drone. Walking down into Dubrovnik Old Town, and We've just had an aircraft incident. It hit the wall and then spun out of control and hit your mother in the face. There's blood everywhere. So we've had it patched up and now we're going to find an ice cream because we're both traumatised. We've had our ice creams.
Very nice. I had a dark chocolate. It was
And
really
I
chocolatey.
had a rum and raisin.
And it was called Madiga or something, wasn't it?
Something like that. But it was rum and raisin. I think we've had a whole day wandering around Dubrovnik.
Yeah, last day in Croatia. Last day in
nothing.
Schengen.
Yeah. We'll see what the next few weeks brings.
There's about 1,000 islands up there. Is that what is it?
Yes. Approximately 1,000 islands belong to Croatia.
There's lovely little villages and towns along the edge of the coast.
Did you want two?
Two. Yes.
The next year, you don't want to choose your own. Which one you like?
You do it.
Oh, you'll be there taking, yeah.
Is that okay? Well, we think we're about 3 kilometres away from the border. I don't think we're going to be able to record anything while we're at the border, and we couldn't.